Meaning of in-car.
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 In-car. The term in-car generally refers to anything that happens or is used inside a car. It can refer to technology, such as in-car entertainment systems or GPS devices, or to actions taken while inside a car, such as making a phone call or adjusting the air conditioning. In-car features and technology have become increasingly sophisticated over the years, with many cars now offering built-in Wi-Fi, voice-activated controls, and even self-driving capabilities. Ultimately, the concept of in-car is all about enhancing the comfort and convenience of the driving experience.